If you'd like to see how I'm going to transform this little Shorty Hennessy bottle and add on some lovely copper rhinestone embellishments and transform it into this, keep watching this video.
Hey YouTube! So today I'm going to be adding some rhinestone embellishments to this little Hennessy cognac bottle. This is a little Shorty bottle and it's 50 milliliters. Okay, I am going to be using some copper. I was debating between gold. I really love the gold rhinestones. I haven't used the copper yet, and this has like a brown background to it. Well, a brown color due to what's inside of the bottle. So I want to go ahead and try that out. I have this rose gold AB color. I'm just going to trace out the label with this. And this 3mm. I'm going to be using liquid fusion glue today. And a wax pickup stick. I will have a link available for this wax pickup stick and also for the rhinestones. I've already wiped this bottle off with alcohol. This label, you really can't tell, but it had like some paint or something that got on it, but I scraped it off the best I can, but it's not really that noticeable. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I just like to trace out. Now this is label, something that you give someone as a gift. If this is too small of a gift and you think you want to do something bigger, you can do a bigger bottle. You can do a bigger bottle, that's absolutely fine, or you can do 3 of these, or maybe 4, and it could be like a little gift set. Another idea is this can be something that you put inside of a basket. This could be really nice to put inside of a basket, and you'll have other items in the basket as well. So just throwing out some ideas. I like to think of cute gifts to give people that you can just make on your own. I think customized gifts are always the best if you have time to do so or the patience. So I'm just gonna go ahead and trace out this label. Just keep watching. I have already traced out the labels on the front and the back with a 3mm rose gold AB rhinestone. So what I'm going to do is get started with the copper. The big bottle and not use the precision tip because it doesn't push out enough glue for me sometimes. So I'll just use this. So if you see me going back and forth with it, that's why. Precision tip is exactly what it's for. It's for precision, small little areas sometimes. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with this.
Okay, so just take your time and line your rhinestones up. And the best thing to do is to make sure that every rhinestone is very close to the very next one. You don't want to leave spaces in between. And you can use all one size. I'm using a 5mm if I didn't mention that before. And I just try to make everything as tight as possible. And if I did have a small space, I would take a little bit of the 3mm of the rose gold and fill in where I just absolutely had to. And it kind of blends pretty well together, so you really couldn't tell the difference. If I had to guess how many rhinestones I used for this project, I think I'd say a little under 500 rhinestones. This probably didn't take any more than 250 to 300 rhinestones because the bottle is so small. Okay, so as you can see, I am almost finished, And if you just sit and just do this non-stop, something like this should take you definitely under an hour. I'd say no more than 45 minutes. If it's your first time, it may take you a lot longer, but that's fine. The more you do this, you'll get more comfortable with it. Okay, you guys, here is the finished result of this little small Hennessy Shorty bottle. And I think this looks absolutely amazing. I didn't know I was gonna like these copper rhinestones this much because I just felt like they were just dull and just boring. But no, I really like this. It's like a nice bronzy, coppery color, and it just really goes so well with the Hennessy bottle. It goes well with the label. Again, gold will be cute too, or even the rose gold that I use to trim, to trace the actual label. That would be cute as well. So remember, this makes such a cute gift for someone, and you can make multiple to make it a set like I said before. But let me know what you guys think about this Shorty bottle and the copper rhinestones. I will have a link where you can purchase the rhinestones and the wax pickup sticks. Also, check out my playlist with other videos like this that I've done. Well, thanks for watching, you guys. Give this video a thumbs up if you'd like to. Subscribe if you'd like to. If not, thanks for stopping by. Bye-bye.